Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ordinal Doge token. Ticker symbol is oDOGE. This token just got listed today on CoinMarketCap, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Ordinal Doge. So ordinals are very popular these days. I've seen the Ordinal Chain token come out. A few different Ordinal tokens have come out recently. Basically, in layman's terms, ordinals are kind of like NFTs, where they have imprinted, like you can imprint like images and things like that on top of SATOSHIs, which are fractions of Bitcoins. I mean, that's very layman's terms of what I just said. Obviously, it's way more technical than that. But in a nutshell, I mean, you could call them basically NFTs on SATOSHIs, I guess, if you want. But they're not really that, but they are. That's what it is. Okay, anyways. oDOGE. .co is their official webpage. Now they have a Etherscan on here. This is on the Ethereum blockchain, this token. They also have a Twitter on here. Their Twitter is at Ordinal Dogecoin. That's where you can find their Twitter. And their Telegram is on here as well. And it's at oDOGE_community. Now, this token just got listed. It's actually down 10% right now. Not off to a great start, but you never know what can happen here. So there is one warning before we get into this token at the top of the CoinMarketCap page here. It says the contract owner may modify the function of contract. Actually, I've never even seen that warning before. That's a weird one. Usually it says modify things like taxes or disable trading, all sorts of things like that. But this one just says modify the function of contract. Please exercise caution before taking any action and do your own research. So thoroughly do your own research. It doesn't necessarily mean like this token is going to be a scam because it has that warning, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam when it has a warning like that. So thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about getting this token because of that warning there. Now, according to their Etherscan here, it says they have 819 holders so far, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply here. That's a million, looks like 1 quadrillion tokens, so a lot of tokens. Now, they have 53 tweets on their Twitter here, 10,200 followers. They just joined in February 2023, so not even a month old, this Twitter, and they already have over 10,000 followers, so they're doing very well. It says the first ever token on Bitcoin. I don't even know what that means, and that's probably not true, but okay. First ever token on Bitcoin. oDOGE combines Bitcoin, ordinals, and smart contracts to create the first ever Bitcoin native meme coin. So the original Doge on meme coin, I guess maybe they're saying like this is the first Ordinal Doge token. I don't know if this is translated or what, but yeah, that's probably what they mean. So it says they've already burned over $140,000 in LP. Strong community, active 24/7. Don't miss out on the greatest meta in meme coin history. First Bitcoin native meme coin ever. Okay, I mean, they're pretty adamant about this, so maybe it is true, but depends on what they mean by that, actually. So it looks like they do have a lot of contests on their Twitter here that you could check out too. Get involved with those. Now, this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet With Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Ordinal Doge token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, their Etherscan webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if they have taxes in the tokenomics and whatnot. We'll go over that though. And just beware, there is going to be some network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. It says, Ordinals are quite the leap in blockchain technology. What was once thought of as impossible, Ordinal technology has unlocked the true power of the Bitcoin network, JPEGs, and meme coins. So yeah, pictures basically like NFTs on SATOSHIs. Enter oDOGE, the original meme coin, now on the Ordinal original blockchain Bitcoin. Okay. So their webpage here, not tons of info. They have a Medium article on here. So they say, by combining ordinals and smart contracts on Ethereum, we have been able to successfully create a meme coin fully hosted on the Bitcoin blockchain. The original oDOGE ordinal can be viewed here. It says, then they have a link to an ordinals page there where it lives forever on the Bitcoin blockchain. Thanks to embedded vaults, and you can read about embedded vaults on their Medium articles here, we have been able to wrap and fractionalize this ordinal from Bitcoin to Ethereum, transforming it from the ordinal to an ERC 721 to an ERC20 token, which can now interact with dApps, DEXs deployed on Ethereum mainnet. So it says 50% of the supply has been burnt, 0 tax on buys and sells, so you most likely will not have to set slippage. Starting with 4 ETH burned forever, it says the recent development of ordinal technology is proof that we are still early in blockchain days. First JPEGs on Bitcoin, then meme coins on Bitcoin. What comes next is something no one can predict. Just keep an open mind, stay involved, and maybe, just maybe, you might be the early one to the next great innovation in crypto. So that's what they're saying anyways. Now their Telegram has 3,616 followers. You could follow their Telegram as well. On their webpage, they have oDOGE.co. They have links to Uniswap, Medium articles. They have view ordinal inscription, their contract address on here. Tokenomics, which we just went over. Links to all their socials. They have a DEX tools chart. They have a contact email, Uniswap, Twitter, Telegram. Now, I don't see a full audit, or I don't see a KYC or team doxed or SAFU badge or anything like that. So definitely be aware of that, and be aware of that big warning at the top of the CoinMarketCap page as well. I'm not sure if they're listed on CoinGecko yet, but be aware of all that. It's down 11% right now, so it's not off to a good start. But let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.